ओ भाई ये देखें, ये इस वक्त जो देख रहे हैं आप, ये दुबई की जो विंड स्टॉर्म है शिद्दत के साथ, आप देख नहीं सकते हैं कुछ भी आसपास, राइट एंड लेफ्ट। बहुत मुश्किल है चलना, ड्राइव करना मुश्किल है। चल रही है। ओह
asked Mr. Song, okay, he said, where is Zen on it? How is everything? Oh, he's taking training from K9 there in Pakistan. I said, really? Who told you? Oh, he sent the pictures to me. I said, okay, can you show me? I saw this picture. Okay, K9. Oh, I said, oh man, nowadays competition, huh? I said, he said to me,
if I will go to the army of Pakistan.
I don't know, Mr. Song told me. I said, do you think Mr. Nice is gonna take me back for K9? He said, don't know because it's between Mr. Price and him. Maybe, maybe not. It depends on his mood.
No.
Huh? What do you think?
No.
Not possible. Huh?
Yeah, it's not a personal matter, but the thing is,
Yeah, it's even for me also. The day Mr. What? I told the day Mr. Zia is going to join K19, as per you that Mr. Price is going to take him back. So I'm going to resign that day myself. I will leave this job. What do you think? I bet myself. I don't know.
yes, even me. It depends only if they will.
So it means 1 year certificate is more than enough for you. Okay, I will go also next day. I will go and complete my 1 year certificate and come back.
No, he need a spare price. He need 2 years.
2 years old back.
Oh, wow! Everybody can see this kind of.
Too much windstorm. You cannot see. This is the 46 limit.
Where's our one? See. Wow. See, guys, this is sandstorm. This is belong from the sun, the god of suns.